Hi, my name's Aparna from Microsoft, and today I'm really excited to show you the ASUS ZenBook Flip. Let's take a look at what's inside. So firstly, we've got the ASUS ZenBook Flip over here. We've got a really compact charging cable, which is always nice. We've got this great cover to pop it in, set of instructions, and it comes with this ASUS Collection Windows inking pen too. The ZenBook Flip is a timelessly elegant masterpiece crafted from exquisite aluminium. The ZenBook Flip comes in icicle gold or mineral grey. The device has a 360-degree hinge that lets you work at any angle. The ZenBook Flip comes with Windows 10, and with the help of Cortana, my digital assistant, I have helped to get things done. Hey Cortana, what's the weather like today? What I love most about this device is that it's built for on-the-go lifestyles. It can go for up to 10 hours between charges, which means it can get me through the whole working day. I think you can see why the ASUS ZenBook Flip is such a great device. You can head on over to your nearest Harvey Norman store to pick one up or check out ASUS online.